Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will be solving a LeetCode medium question, which is a rotate linked list. And we have given a linked list, and he has given a head and the k value. So the k is basically rotation of places. I will be using a stopwatch to see how many minutes I'm taking to solve the question. So the question is simple, guys. We have given a linked list, and we have to rotate it by k places. K is 2, so 5 will come here for 1, and this will be same 1, 2, 3, 4. And for k is equal to 1 is finished. Now for k is equal to 2, we have to rotate 4 as well. 4 will come at the head position and 5 will be here. 1, 2, 3 will be same. This is for k is equal to 2 places. Let's understand the problem statement 2. K is equal to 4. We have given a head 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. K is equal to 4 means k will come here 1. Then again k will come here 2 times. Then this value will come here for third time. And again fourth time this value will come here. So 2, 0, 1 is the linked list. This is what they given, and the range is given 0 to 500 number of nodes. And k is 2 into 10 to the power of 9, which is very much high. We have to use modulo operator, and the acceptance rate of this question is 39.8, which is very less. Let's solve this question. But what I am thinking is, so you can see in this question, at the third node, I mean after 2 places, the third node, we are removing this node, and the fourth node is attaching to the first node. What I am thinking here is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what I am thinking is, I will be cutting this edge, and 3 will be pointing to null, and 4 will be my head. Simple. This is what I'm thinking. This will be my head, then 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 5 will be pointing, the last value will be pointing to the first value, and the third value will be pointing to null. How we get the third value? We will be using minus. Like how, so I will be taking a count of these values. Count will be 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and count minus k is 3. Right? Count minus 2 is 3. So 3 will be pointing here, and third next node will be pointing to head, and the third next node will be pointing to null. This is what I am logically thinking. For this also, you can see we have to rotate it by 4 places. So we have given is 3 nodes, right? So 3 modulus of 4 is nothing but 3. Let's try to solve this question. I will be taking a list node, which is temp, which will be pointing to head. Done here. And the next thing is, I will be taking a counter, which will be initially 1, while temp to next will not equal to null. Until that, we will be incrementing our counter, and we will be moving our temporary variable. Temp is equal to temp to next. So what is happening is, until temp will move till the last position, and we will get the counter as 5. So temp is now here, counter is 1, counter will be 2, temp will be here, counter will be 3, temp will be here, counter will be 4, temp will be here, counter is 5, temp is here. I will be doing what is, I will be keeping this temp to the 1 node. So what I am going to do is, temp to next will be pointing to head, because we haven't, what we are going to do is, temp to next will be pointing to head. Now the temp is pointing to head, and we have got a loop. Let me show you clearly what's happening. So this 5 will be pointing to 1, right? And we have got the counter as 5, right? So this is what we till now we have did. And the next step is, we have got the counter, and we know that k is equal to k modulus of count, right? Let's say k is 2, count is 5. 2 modulus of 5 is 5, 2 only. So yeah, maxi, we will be creating a new length maxi, which will be k minus, not count minus k, right? What is count? Count is 5. What is k? K is 2. Count is 5. K is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So yeah, our maxi is equal to 3, and we will be iterating until it is not equal, right? Let me show you. So yeah, the maxi is now here 1, maxi is 2, maxi is 3. When the maxi becomes equal to the count value, then what we are going to do is, this value will be pointing to here, and it will be a new head, and this value again will be pointing to what we call null pointer. This is what I am thinking logically. And the next step is, maxi is now count minus k. For the new tail, I will be creating a list node, new tail, which will be equal to head. Now for int I is equal to 1, I less than what? Maxi I plus plus. What we are going to do is, we will be incrementing the new tail. New tail is equal to new tail to next. What is happening here is, new tail is going to now for 1, new tail is here, right? New tail is currently at head. Now new tail will be here. Count will be 2. count is 1. Now to new tail is here, count is 2. And then the loop breaks because 3 is less than 3, which is false, right? So the count will be here, the max will be here, and the next step is we have to make the head as here. New head, we'll be creating a new head, right? Tail is pointing to 3, right? This is new tail. And the next step is we'll be creating a list node of new head, which will be pointing to what we got new tail to next. And the next step, the new tail will be pointing to null pointer. New tail to next will be pointing to null pointer. After this step, everything is I think completed. Yes, the new head we got, and we will be simply returning the new head. What I did is I iterated through a loop count by keeping counter as 1 and keeping the head as temp. What we will be doing, temp will be here and the count will be here at 5, right? Because we have incremented the count. And the next step, very next step, 5 will be pointing to 1. What I did is temp to next will be pointing to head, right? And we are initializing k is equal to k modulus of count. It is same as k because we have given the k value is 2 into 10 to the power 9, which is very high. So the k will be is equal to, we are using modulus. So what is happening here is 2 modulus k is 2 modulus of count. What is count? 5. 2 modulus of I is 2, which is equal to k only. So there is nothing issue here. And the maxi will be count minus k. What is count? Count we got is 5. 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. So the maxi will be 3 and the new tail will be pointing to head. So this is a new tail, right? And I will be iterating through the loop until we get the new tail till here. So we got new tail here. The new tail to next will be pointing to new head. And the new tail to next will be pointing to null pointer. So we got the new head as here. I will be returning 4, 5 and again 1, 2, 3. This is what we got. This is what the logic is. Let's delete this and understand for this logic as well. So yeah, temp to next is not equal to none. The counter is 3, temp is pointing to here, right? Temp is pointing to here. You can see that the counter is 3, temp is pointing to here, right? So the next step is temp is to next is head. So yeah, this is the temp. Now temp is here at the head position. The next step is k is equal to k modulus of count. What is k? K is nothing but 4 modulus of count. What is count? Count is 3. 4 modulus of 3 is 1. So we have to rotate it by one place only, as you can see here. Let's do this rotation part as well. Okay, so now it is pointing here. This is temp. And the very next step is k is equal to k modulus of count, which is now 1. And the new tail will be pointing to head. This is the new tail. It is pointing to head. And next step is k is equal to 1, I less than 1. I less than maxi. Maxi is now 1. Right? What is count? Count is nothing but count is 3 minus what is k? 1, which is 2. Right? So yeah, till the second position. So count is 1 and we will go here. Right? This is now count is equal to 2 and the new tail will be pointing to here. Now the new tail to the new head will be pointing to new tail to next. So new tail to next is new head. So new head is 2 and the new tail to next will be pointing to null, right? And we are going to return the new head. New head is this. So 2, then again it is going to 0, then again it is going to 1. Because after that we have null pointer, as I said, after 1. This is null pointer. So 2, 0, 1, this is what the output we got, right? So this is what the logic is. Let's run this and see whether it is running fine or not. Okay, it's good. Already tried to attempt this question, but I was not able to solve. We got an error, guys. Okay, runtime error, member access with null pointer of type list node. Let's solve this error. Oh, I haven't initialized the base condition, which is if head is not equal to null, or head to next is equal to null, or k equal to 0, then we're gonna return the head simply. Beautiful. We got the solution. Thank you for watching.